6 Muffin Top and Love Handles Workout for Beginners. Love handles and muffin tops are not an ideal body for anybody because they make you look out of shape and even sometimes look older than your actual age. The worst part is that you can be in the best health of your life and still look out of shape because of a bulging belly. The most annoying part is that they have a significant impact on your silhouette. Even a little bit of muffin top can keep you from looking your best or having the dream body you have always wanted. However, the excellent news is that trimming your waistline is all you need to look your absolute best. Following are 6 workouts and exercises that you can do at home using an exercise mat. These exercises, when followed and done correctly, are very effective. So do the entire routine regularly if your goal is to get rid of your muffin top and love handles for good. Pay attention and learn how each exercise is done the correct way. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. 1. Sitting twists. Sit with your knees bent and feet planted flat on the mat. Straighten out your arms in front of you and keep your hands clasped together. Engage your core as you lower your back towards the mat. You should be leaning back around halfway to the floor. As you lean back, lift your feet from the floor and keep them close together. Keep your elbows locked as you twist your body to the right side and hold that position for 2 seconds. Go back to the center before twisting to the left. Keep alternating between both sides until you have completed 30 seconds worth of sitting twists. 2. Heel taps. Lie on your back with your arms pinned at your sides and your palms pressing down on the mat. Bend your knees and plant your feet flat on the mat. Engage your core to keep your spine as straight as possible while lifting your upper body off the mat. Bend to your right so that your right hand touches your right heel. Straighten yourself back to the center position before bending to your left so that your left hand touches your right heel. Keep alternating between the 2 sides until you've completed 30 seconds worth of heel taps. 3. Dead bugs. Lie on your back with your arms stretched out and your fingers pointed towards the ceiling. Lift your legs from the mat and bend your knees as if your legs are resting on a box. Keep your right arm straight as you lower towards the side of your head. Simultaneously, lower your left leg without letting your feet touch the mat. Slowly bring your right arm and left leg back to your original position. Repeat the same movement using your left arm and right leg. Keep a steady pace as you shuffle between both sides and complete 1 minute's worth of dead bugs. 4. High plank toe taps. Lie face down on a mat and then prop yourself up with your palms and toes. Make sure your knees and elbows are locked straight and that your palms are planted right below your shoulders. Engage your core and maintain a straight line from head to toe as you lift your right leg slightly, swinging it out to the side, and tap your toes to the floor. Steadily bring your right foot back to your original position. Do the same for the left side. Keep alternating between the 2 sides until you've completed 1 minute's worth of high plank toe taps. 5. Spider planks. Get into the same high plank position as the previous exercise. Again, maintain a stiff plank position and make sure your palms are positioned right below your shoulders. Engage your core as you bend your right knee, bring it out to the side, and take it as close as you can to your right elbow. Steadily bring your right foot back to your original position. Do the same thing for the left side. Keep alternating between the 2 sides until you've completed 1 minute's worth of spider planks. 6. Side plank crunches. Lie on your right side and prop your body up with your right forearm. Make sure your elbow is positioned right below your shoulder. Stack your left foot on top of the right and lift your hips from the mat. Make sure your hips aren't held too high or sag to the ground. Instead, keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Bend your left arm and touch your fingers to your left ear. While maintaining your plank, Perform a side crunch by bending your leg and torso. Your knee and elbow should meet at the center. Repeat this movement until you've completed 30 seconds worth of side plank crunches. Do the same for the other side. These abdominal exercises are challenging, but simple enough for beginners to do. Don't get frustrated if it seems difficult. That's what brings the best results. Take your time and persevere. Stay motivated by the fact that if you do your best with these exercises every day, you'll get rid of your love handles and be muffin top free in no time. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.